Magnific Spaces supports batch processing using a node called list. In this example, we'll translate a single image ad into multiple languages automatically, without repeating the same step over and over. To begin the workflow, we need an existing ad that we designed outside FreePic. We'll start by dragging this image onto the canvas. The copy in the ad is in English, and our goal is to translate it into 20 European languages. To start, we create that list automatically using a new feature in the Assistant node. Right-click on the canvas and select the Assistant node. Enter the prompt, generate a list of the top 20 most popular European languages. From the export options, the default is export as text, but there's an option for exporting to a list. When you export as a list, the Assistant node automatically creates a new list node to the right. This list node contains the 10 generated languages. If you want to update the list later, you have two options. Keep items adds new entries to the existing list when you rerun the Assistant node. Replace items removes the current entries and replaces them with the newly generated ones. Let's show how this works. With keep items active, let's run the Assistant node again. Now the 20 languages are added to this list, making the total 40. And when we switch to replace items and run the Assistant node again, we now have 20. The 40 existing entries have been replaced. Let's move to the next step where we use the list of languages in a prompt. Let's rename the list node to languages. This helps when we build the prompt later. Modern image models are excellent at editing text, so we'll use the image generator to do this. Let's add a new images generator node to the canvas. We will then connect both the list node and the ad to the image generator. The image generator now has access to both the entries in the list and the image. Then enter the following prompt. Translate the text in the ad with languages. Keep the name Spaces intact. We added the last sentence because we don't want to translate the product name. When you hit run, the image generator creates another list node. This time, it contains images instead of text. It will take a few minutes to complete as it needs to generate 20 versions of the ad, but you can follow the process on both the image nodes and in the new list node, where the results will pop up when completed. You can double-click each image to see it in more detail, or extract it to the canvas if you want to keep working. When a list node contains images, you can export the results as a zip file. Each image file is named using part of the prompt, making it easy to identify which language each ad is in. This workflow shows how batch processing works in FreePic Spaces, letting you scale a task efficiently without repeating the same steps.